What's up, everybody? Crazy Keon here, and I've got some big news from the Hershey RV Show 2026 right there at Hershey Park. I have been officially given the opportunity to speak at the show. Now, I don't know who the hell gave somebody that idea that it was good, but nevertheless, I'm there, I'm live and in charge, and you already know we're bringing that crazy Keon energy. Meet us there at the show, September 18th. Meet and greet at 3:30 at the corner of the Giant Center. And we are not stopping there. We'll be doing our campfire talks at 2 o'clock, plus live streams throughout the weekend. And the RV show is going to have expert reviews by none other than Big Brother Rob, dropping all throughout the weekend. Here's the other important part. You can only find all of this on Hanging with the Hazes YouTube channel. So make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. And come hang out with us at Hershey. Crazy Keon is coming to Hershey. And guess what, y'all? You don't want to miss it.